If there was just one secret to manifesting, that secret would be detachment. Detachment will help you in manifesting a relationship. Detachment will help you in manifesting money. Detachment will help you in manifesting a specific person or a job opportunity. Detachment is the secret. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes absolutely free of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. We've helped people in 60 different countries, and we can help you too. The money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness and success you deserve. Law of Attraction Solutions.com. Well, high flyers, I believe that detachment is a huge, huge secret. I'm going to give a couple examples in my own life how detachment worked for me. But I know whatever it is you desire, money, love, success, happiness, a specific person, yes, detachment is the secret. We have all kinds of tools to help us manifest what we desire. And I use them regularly in my life, and my clients use them as well. But here's the thing, without detachment, you never get to that place where you just let go and let energy flow. High flyers, manifesting may seem complicated, but the truth of the matter is, manifesting is easy and it can be broken down into 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is to set clear intentions and goals. You see, high flyers, it's absolutely essential that you give the universe a clear picture of what it is you desire. If it's some kind of a vague picture, you don't really know, then that's what you'll get. But if it's clear and concise and specific, then that's what the universe will bring you. Number 2 is believe and align your energies. I think the most important thing you can do in step 2 is to believe that you already have what you desire. When you believe it's already yours, then it just seems, there doesn't seem to be any effort. There's no need to get all antsy or angry or anxious about anything because you know it's already present. It's already yours. It's simply unfolding to you in the 3D world, in the world of the manifest, in the world of the physical. Another part of step 2 is to think with positive thoughts. Now, it's not always possible to be positive. Our brains are actually wired to think in a negative fashion. We can get into that in another video sometime. But listen to me. If you will monitor your thinking, and when you catch yourself moving into negative thinking, shift it to positive thinking. In other words, I like to call it positive expectation. I expect what I desire to manifest. One of the ways you can think positive, and it's quite easy, is to submerge yourself into gratitude. In other words, think about how grateful you are for what you already have, and then think about how grateful you are for all the good things that are chasing you, that are coming into your life, that are desiring you, that are wanting you, whatever it is. And number 3 is let go and take inspired action. This is a very difficult step for a lot of people because they're afraid to take action because they might lose and they're scared of losing and they're frightened of letting go. And if I let go, that means I don't love him anymore, right, Robert? No, doesn't mean that at all. If I let go, it means the money won't come to me. No, it doesn't mean that. Letting go simply means I am letting go of all the negativity. I'm letting go of the obsession. I'm letting go of the doubts. I'm letting go of the worry and the anxiety. And I'm just letting it go. Get it out of your life once and for all. Let it go. When you detach, you allow it to happen. You allow what you desire to manifest. But that's going to require that you trust the process. It's important that you believe and know that the universe is conspiring to make your wish fulfilled, to make what you desire manifest in your life. You need to know that. So, what are the 3 steps again? Set clear goals and intentions, believe your energy, take inspired action, and detach. And the most difficult of these 3 is to take inspired action and detach or let go. So, what people do is they get to step 2 and then they start piling on more work. It hasn't happened yet. Nothing's happened. He hasn't called me. She's not texting me. It hasn't happened yet. So I need to do more affirmations. I need to jump up and down higher and harder. I need to pound my fists into the wall longer. You see what I'm saying? And I need to script longer. I need to build a big vision board. And they just keep piling on the work. And they never get to step 3. And step 3 is essential. You have to take inspired action, but you have to detach and let go. So here's an experience that Rachel and I went through. We had a limited amount of time to close on a house, the house we're living in right now. And it was getting right up to the deadline. I mean, a day or 2 at the very most, until we reached the deadline. And either the house would close or we would lose the opportunity. So what did we do? We went on a mini vacation. And while we were on our mini vacation, they called us. The bank said, "Hey, we're ready to close right now. Somebody's coming over to your house." I said, "We're not home." "Where are you at?" "We're on vacation." "Where at?" We gave them the location, we gave them the hotel, and they literally hired somebody and had them drive to the hotel to sign the final paperwork. If there was one secret to us living in this beautiful home, it's the fact that we detached. And the same is true with attracting your specific person or a job opportunity. Look, high flyers, I believe that love is the most important vibration in the universe. It's absolutely the most important. So I don't want you to confuse detaching with lack of love or less love. The love still remains, the love is still there. Okay. But when you detach, you allow the energy to flow. You allow the manifestation to chase you rather than you chase the manifestation. So, how to detach? Number 1, everything and anything that you want is already yours. If you will choose that belief, and that's a choice, you can choose to believe it or you can choose not to, then it becomes very easy to detach because you know it's already yours. It's there. It's like a bunch of presents under the Christmas tree. They're already there. You just haven't opened them yet. But there's no need to get anxious about it because you already are in possession of what you desire. Number 2 is let go of fixation. I mean, seriously, fixation is when you become obsessive about something. And when you become obsessive, you choke the energy and you stop the manifestation. Number 3, ignore the 3D, ignore the physical world. But Robert, there's a third party involved. No, there's no third party in here. Not where I'm creating. There's no third party at all. But Robert, I don't have the money yet. Not in here. I got plenty of money in here. You see, creation comes from the inside and flows outward as well as the outward inward. That's confusing, but you get the idea. It comes from within. So what you create inside you, in your imagination, in your mind, in your feelings, that's what you attract. The next way to detach is just trust the process. Look, there's a process. There are 3 steps that you have to go through in order to manifest anything. Trust the process. The universe has your back. And number 5, some of you won't like this one, but I've got to say it. Trust that there is this, whatever it is that you desire, or something better. There could be a bigger house. There could be a better job. There could be your twin flame or your soulmate. There could be any number of things. But when you trust that the universe is either going to bring you exactly what you desire because you were specific, or something better, then it becomes easy to detach. Remember, we get what we are, not what we want. I want to remind you that people are already registering for True Love Activation in February in Sedona, Arizona, February 16th, 17th, and 18th. You're going to want to be there if love is important to your life. It's 3 days of the most intense love energy you've ever experienced. Go to trueloveactivation.com. And now, here's another video I absolutely am certain you're going to want to watch.